So today I'm with the Caravan and it's looking very sad and very empty. It's been stripped out, ready for a service, and it's been cleaned as well. And when I was cleaning it, I noticed we had a few marks on the wood. Now these were quite irritating, and some of them are in prominent places which were bugging me. So as a result of that, I looked on the market to see what was available that we could use to cover these marks up. I did look first of all at the wax type crayon ones, and I thought, yep, they're a good idea, but what I was concerned about with them is eventually over time that will dry out and it'll fall out, and you'll be left back with the scratch or scar that you've got on the wood. So instead I came up with these. I found these on Amazon. They were £2.50, bargain, and they're in 3 different shades of brown, because every Caravan's brown, isn't it? So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at these pens, and I'll show you the marks that we've got actually on the Caravan that I'm going to be covering up. So this is what I've bought. As I said, I think they were £2.49. I'll leave a Amazon affiliated link to them. It won't cost you anything more, but we'll get about 5p for it, which helps the channel. But basically the 3 indelible marker pens, and they're in 3 colours: light brown, medium brown and dark brown. What we are going to be using is probably the light brown and the medium on my particular Caravan, but yours might have a darker brown. Now what it does say is if you use the light one and it's too light, you can go back over it again, and then it will darken it if you keep repeating. So we'll try the light brown first and see how we go. So I've got them out the packet, and we'll just take the top off one of them so you can see what it looks like. And there we go. As you can see, it just looks like a felt tip pen basically. Now what they do recommend with these particular pens is once you've rubbed it on, leave it a couple of seconds and then take some cloth, a kitchen towel or something like that, and then wipe it off, and it will stop staining the outside of the scar that you're covering up. So let's have a look at one of the little repairs we're going to do. So what we're going to do first of all is we're going to do this repair here. Now this is the wall side of the sliding door into the bathroom, and the handle, because it's badly designed, kept catching on it and it's made a mark. So what we're going to do is try and cover that up. So I'm going to take the lightest pen first of all, and we're going to mark it in. Okay, so taking our cloth now, we're going to wipe it off, like so. Now it's still quite pale, so they recommend that you go over it a bit more. So we're going to do that now. And again. Just rub that in. Now, I don't know if you can see that. I'm hoping you can, because my camera is struggling to focus on this because it's so small. But it's looking a lot better. It's blended in a lot more to the wood. Now, I do think that if I use the medium now, in a moment, it might assist even more. But first of all, let's just keep going with this. This is our 3rd go at it. Well, that's not too bad. I think we'll try the medium colour. So we're just marking in the medium. And again, we're going to do what it says, rub it off. And there we go. That's not too bad. So here's the last one we've got to do. Again, I'm going to be using the light one. I think it's more suited to this. I've been switching between the light and the medium. But, that's not too bad. I can hear that crunching. It's my neighbours. They're just coming back with the caravan after being away. So that was the touch-up furniture markers from Love Your Wood. Now, I thought they were pretty good. I did have to blend all three colours to get the match to my wood, but with a little bit of patience, and make sure that you rub off straight away as soon as you put it in, because you don't want a big square or a blob. You just need it to rub it off so that it fills the groove, and it'll work fine. £2.50, I think it's worth £2.50 of anybody's money. I'll leave a link below to the Amazon for this particular product, and why not give them a try. But alternatively, if you've got a better idea and it's not the crayons and it's not these, I'd quite happily take a look at it if you leave a message in the comments. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope that you'll join us again. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.